Good morning, everybody, and welcome back from the Thanksgiving holiday. I hope everybody had a great holiday and really enjoyed the family. I know we did, man. It was great. It was a nice recharging Thanksgiving, a simple one. Everybody was healthy and happy, so we're very thankful for that. One of the most common questions that I hear here in the office is what is that popping sound when you get adjusted? Or what is that popping sound when you pop your knuckles? And the answer to that question is pretty simple. First of all, it's theoretical. Nobody really actually knows, but this is the theory, and it's the most accepted theory about what that noise is. Whenever a joint is misaligned, there is a joint capsule. It's a fluid-filled capsule around each and every joint in the body. And what happens is when a joint's misaligned, there are gases that build up inside that joint. And when we pop our knuckles or we pop your spine when we're adjusting you and you hear that popping sound, what that is those gases being released. It's the pressure in the joint capsule equalizing. So it's not the sounds of bones cracking, it's not joints cracking, it's not bones breaking or anything like that. It's simply the release of the joint pressure in the capsule. And that's why you feel the immediate relief, because one of the problems with the misalignment of the bones is that pressure builds up in the joint, and once you get that release, then you feel that endorphin release, you feel the release of the pressure, and get some relief. So that's what the popping sound is. I hope that answers your question. Thank you everybody for submitting questions through the online environment at drpricedc@aol.com, or also leaving comments here on the page. And I'd like to say welcome to the new members. This is a growing community, and I'm really thankful for all of you. And I will see you tomorrow. Have a great day.